The first iPhone was announced by Steve Jobs on January 9, 2007 and released on June 29, 2007. The original iPhone did not have an app store, it only had built-in apps such as calculator, weather, and photos. The iPhone was the first smartphone to have a multi-touch interface, which allows users to perform various gestures on the screen, such as pinch to zoom and swiping. Siri, the intelligent personal assistant on the iPhone, was introduced with the iPhone 4S in 2011. The iPhone 5S was the first smartphone to have a fingerprint sensor, which is used to unlock the device and authenticate purchases. The iPhone X was the first iPhone to feature Face ID, a facial recognition system that replaces the fingerprint sensor. The iPhone 6 is the smallest iPhone currently available, with a 4-inch screen. The iPhone 12 is the first iPhone to feature 5 grams connectivity, allowing for faster download and upload speeds. Apple has sold over 2 billion iPhones since the first one was released in 2007. The iPhone is manufactured in China by Foxconn, which is the largest electronics manufacturer in the world.